Hi guys, welcome back to Laney's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making dirt cups. For today's video, you're going to need chocolate or vanilla instant pudding, 2 cups of milk, some gummy worms, some Oreos, 4 cups, a mixing bowl, and a baggie. Step 1, you want to go ahead and make your pudding. So you need to open up your pudding pack, pour it in your bowl, and put 2 cups of milk in. So 1, 2. And mix it together. Now you want to take your pudding and put it evenly into the 4 cups. After you've put the pudding in each of the cups, go ahead and get your baggie and 8 Oreos, put them in the baggie and crush them up. Once you finish crushing them, this is what they should look like. Now, you want to take some gummy worms, put them in the cups, and now you want to add your Oreos on top. Alright, and now you've made dirt cups. See you guys next time on Laney's Kitchen.